Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Alexander generator. You may ask, what is an Alexander generator? Well, if you look here, you will see some magnets. And those magnets go past a coil. It could be any wound coil, but it's actually one that's made from the insides of a relay. And when I spin that, can you see I'm getting the diodes to light? I put two diodes on because they're back to back and they give alternating current, so one diode lights and then the other. That's the Alexander generator, and that can be pushed by your hand. It could be turned by the wind. You could have a mouse or a guinea pig running it. You could turn it with a steam turbine, gas, nuclear or whatever. But today, you might think it's a cheat, but it's not really. I'm turning it with a little electric motor underneath. I'll just switch it on. If you just hang on a minute. Switched on. I've just got to give it a start. And there it is, spinning quite fast. And now you can see the lights lit up because it's collecting its voltage off the rails. Number 3 and 4, as you can see, there are 4 rails. But what else have we done? Well, I'll have to get these right, so it's yellow. Look, another one of 2 different rails, and another one of 2 more different rails, and another one of 2 different rails again, and another one of 2 different rails again, and yes, you've guessed it when I just move them over a little bit. Get this one on, and another one of 2 more different rails. As you can see, I've got 4 rails. Now what we're showing at the moment is a single phase generator by 1 coil, but if I lift this cover off, you'll see we've actually got 3 coils. We're generating 3 phase. And so between any one of what would normally in a generator be a line conductor, that's line 1, line 2, line 3, between any one of those and neutral, we get our mains voltage, and as it comes into your home or a property, it's 240 volts. Nowadays it's called 230 volts, but it's really still 240 volts, nothing's changed. But with the 230 or 240, we've got 3 single phase voltages. But we've also got voltages between phases. Between phase 1 and phase 2, we'd have 415, or now it's been redeclared at 400. Between 2 and 3, we'd have 415, and between 1 and 3, we'd have 415. And these little LEDs are lighting with all of those voltages, so we've got what would be at the house or the factory will be 240 volts between any one line and neutral, and then 415 between any 2 lines, and that's it, a 3-phase generator. Don't try this at home. We're actually running it from a mains single phase motor. It's an old motor out of a microwave, just to turn that wheel round. But we could be running it by anything, water power, steam power, squirrel running in a cage or whatever. We're just turning that round, the magnets are going past the coils and generating electricity. That's how electricity is made. Thank you.